Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a test run with these batteries here. So these batteries are from RCLipoBattery.com. Just want to give a big thank you and appreciation to this company for sending me these batteries to test out. So I'm going to be testing these out today, and I'm going to be using the Arrma sentence to test it out, because the Arrma sentence, their minimum requirements for the battery used for this truck is 5,000 milliamp and at least 50 C of discharge. And this whole time I've been running this with my JOB Cheetah battery, which is 4,000 milliamp, 30 C discharge. So it was not really a decent power, but enough to get this going. But since I have this one now, it's it's really gonna bring out the beast in this truck. So we're gonna test it out in this truck. And I just want to give you guys a quick close-up on this battery. It's pretty thick, pretty heavy. This is a 3S. Dean's connector, of course, my favorite. And yeah, overall, the quality built, it looks really good. You know, it doesn't look cheap. It looks really good. It comes in a bubble wrap inside a box, which is this one. And you get a pair inside a bigger box, which is this one. So yeah, pretty cool how you get a pair. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna test it out, see how this battery does, and I'll let you know my honest opinion and review at the end. Oh, here we go. So much rocks here. Oh! It definitely does handle differently with this battery, just because of that extra bigness and weight. Oh! It seemed to turn better going left than right. Oh, look at that power. Man, this thing's got power. Whoa. Dang, this thing's got power. Whoa. Oh, come on, come on. I got this, I got this. Oh! almost fell into the lake. Pretty good battery. For reals, guys, pretty good battery. I'm still getting peak power. That extra weight, that extra power. Man, this thing is so fun. That's so awesome. Dang! Oh! Wow! Oh. This is amazing. I'm still getting power. Man, this truck handles. Dang, it's still going. I could feel it losing power, sort of. Oh, that was cool. Oh, it doesn't want to steer right. Oh, there we go. Oh, it got stuck there for a moment. What's going on? think that's lipo cut off. How slow it's going. And it's dead. Woo! Man, that was epic. Alright guys, that was a great run. This battery is it's good. I like it. I like the size of it, the weight of it, and it gave plenty of power to the end. And the runtime was pretty good too. I actually ran this truck longer with this battery than my old battery. So yeah, thumbs up to that. Everything will be in the link below if you're interested. But yeah, man, look at the size of it. It's awesome. It says fly safe. It says fly safe, but we're bashing. Yeah. Cheers guys.